The ending of your first dance will be one of the most memorable moments to you and your guests. So let's learn how to execute the picture-perfect dip safely and gracefully. To begin, we'll start from the dance position. Leader, when you're ready to do the dip, finish your last basic, gently push your partner out in front of you. Spin her towards you with your left arm drawing a circle counterclockwise. Place her right hand on your shoulder and put your arms around her back. Now you should be in a closed hugging position. Next, gently rotate your partner's body. Bend your left knee and extend your right leg out to the side. Follower, your body should be facing to the side. Your right knee is bent and your left leg is extended in front of you. And make sure to keep your weight on your right foot. Relax your upper back. Put weight on your partner's left arm. Let's do one more time without pausing. Let's look at the dip in different angles. Let's take a closer look to the leader's stance. Leader, make sure to keep your upper body straight, shoulders rolled back, and keep your weight on your left foot. To test your balance, try lifting your right foot off the ground. Follower, during the dip, it's extremely important to keep your weight on your right foot and relax your hips. Imagine you are sitting on a chair. Make sure you don't tuck your hip under or slide your foot too far forward. To test your balance, you should be able to lift your left foot off the ground. Lastly, leader, keep your left elbow lifted. That way your partner will feel much more supported and secure while leaning back. Congratulations, guys! You have learned the last move in the dance program. In the next lesson, we'll show you how to put things together, and you are almost ready to show off your beautiful first dance at your wedding. Enjoy!